बढ़िया सर, आप ठीक?
हाँ, मैं बढ़िया हूँ। बस मैं सोच रहा था पता नहीं कि अभी तक आपका रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया है, पता नहीं आ रहे हैं कि नहीं आ रहे हैं।
नहीं, आई हैड पुट अ येस इन द जो आपने वो भेजा था ना
हुँ,
इनवाइट जो भेजा था, आई पुट अ येस देयर।
हाँ, बट
सो
आई डिडन्ट गेट
जनरली
इट।
उसका एक कंफर्मेशन ईमेल आ जाता है दैट
हाँ,
सो एंड सो इज
एग्ज़ैक्टली
एक्सेप्टेड और
दैट आई वाज़
डिक्लाइंड।
वेटिंग फॉर इट
अच्छा, अच्छा,
बट
अच्छा।
अनफॉर्च्युनेटली आई कुडन्ट गेट इट।
अच्छा, नहीं वैसे फेसबुक पे तो हमारी कम्युनिकेशन हो ही गई थी सो
हाँ, येस, येस
या
मैम।
या इन केस ऑफ एनी दिस थिंग वी ऑलवेज आई मीन आई वुड डेफिनिटली
मैं
आई
दिस
वुड
इज़
हैव
एक्चुअली
इन्फॉर्म्ड यू।
ये फर्स्ट जेस्चर है तो
जी, जी।
थोड़ा-सा हम भी प्रिंसिपल को मैंने सुबह बात किया फिर शी इज़ डाउन विद फीवर।
ओहो!
हाँ, तो उसने कहा मैं तैयारी कर रही हूँ लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं मैं आ पाऊँगी कि नहीं आ पाऊँगी। मैंने कोई बात नहीं
ओह,
अगर नहीं
यस।
आएँगे तो we'll all are here and you are here and Mrs. Sangeeta Gulati is here, Dr.
जी,
Varia
जी।
is here.
हाँ, मुकेश सर भी हैं मैंने
हाँ,
देखा। हाँ।
मुकेश सर भी हैं बिकॉज़ ही वाज़ माय मेंटर।
अच्छा,
तो
अच्छा।
हाँ, बहुत टाइम से हम लोग साथ हैं और जो कुछ भी आज मैं गूगल में कर रहा हूँ जस्ट बिकॉज़ ऑफ हिम और
ओके।
उन्होंने ही ये गूगल वर्क स्पेस मुझे दिया था कि यू गो विद दिस
हुँ,
you'll be
हुँ।
happy। तो उनके कहने से ही फिर मतलब उनकी इंस्पिरेशन से ही फिर मैंने गूगल सर्टिफिकेशन शुरू किया तो फर्स्ट लेवल क्लियर भी हो गया तो दिस वाज द अचीवमेंट फॉर मी एंड जब मैंने आप लोगों को देखा ना सबसे बड़ी चीज तो इंस्पिरेशन तो दिल्ली एनसीआर ही है क्योंकि
अरे सर!
फर्स्ट टाइम नहीं नहीं मैं बता रहा हूँ फर्स्ट टाइम जो है वो मैंने आप ही का प्रोग्राम देखा था और इंसिस्टेड माय टीचर्स टू सी इट तो दे वर वेरी हैप्पी तो बोले कि सर हम नहीं ले सकते मैंने कहा बिल्कुल ले सकते हैं क्यों
बिल्कुल ले
नहीं
सकते हैं, हाँ, हाँ।
तो फिर
हाय सोनाली मैम,
Good evening, ma'am.
गुड इवनिंग, वंडरफुल टू सी यू।
Nice to meet you. Happy Vijaya Dashami.
थैंक यू सो मच और आपको भी सर
ओह बंगाली बंगाली
शुभ हो विजय।
Shubho Vijaya and Preetiya Shubhecha
गुड
Jana.
इवनिंग सर गुड इवनिंग सर
Good evening,
Good
sir. Good
evening.
गुड
evening,
इवनिंग
ma'am.
डॉक्टर वारिया कैसे हैं?
Yes, fine, all ma'am.
बस बढ़िया, बढ़िया। सो आई थिंक ऑल आर जॉइनिंग इन नाउ। हाँ, संगीता मैम भी आ रहे हैं, शी इज जस्ट कंफर्म्ड।
व्हाट अबाउट डॉक्टर तारा ही इज आवर co-leader
Sir, let me call.
गुड इवनिंग मैम
Good
गुड
evening,
इवनिंग
ma'am.
हाय संगीता मैम।
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Congratulations, Dr. Singh. We are all set to start.
थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर तारा इज हियर
Good evening, everyone.
गुड
Good
इवनिंग
evening,
सर।
sir.
Dr. Varia, he is Dr. SM Tara and co-leader GG Agra.
Great, sir.
And
Congratulations.
Mrs. Sonali Goswami, she is learned captain GG Agra.
Great.
Good.
Great.
Wonderful. It's always good to have a team by
Absolutely.
your side.
Yes, ma'am. You all were the inspiration for Agra people. You know.
For many of us. For
Yeah,
many
Many.
of us.
Even we
Yes.
started our GEG with ma'am's lecture only.
मैम का जो लेक्चर जो देखा था फर्स्ट टाइम फेसबुक पर तो मैंने तारा सर को बोला मैंने कहा यार ये पता नहीं कौन सा प्रोग्राम शुरू हुआ है लेट अस हैव अ लुक ऑन दिस तो वहाँ पर जब गूगल के जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बताने लगे आप लोग तो आई वाज जस्ट मेस्मराइज्ड मैंने कहा ऐसा भी हो सकता है क्या देन फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर ये चीज़ आई फिर कंटिन्यूसली फिर रेशमा मैम से बात हुई तो रेशमा मैम का भी प्रोग्राम चला तो ये देख करके ऐसा लगा कि यार हम लोगों को भी ये करना चाहिए और हमें इसका पार्ट बनना चाहिए सो वी आर हियर
Yeah,
एज अ टीम और द फैमिली
Yes, yes.
absolutely. Why not?
Glad to have GG Agra in the team.
या
Ah,
यस सर
with all your blessings and help.
I'll just attend the call, sir.
संगीता मैम आप कुछ प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं कल
सर हमारा कल फर्स्ट ईयर कंप्लीट होगा सो वी आर टर्निंग 1 year old टुमारो तो कल हमारा 5:30 बजे है बिल्कुल वी आर
That's
डूइंग अ सेशन and you're all invited. Please join on the YouTube,
Sure, ma'am.
on Facebook.
Good evening, ma'am.
Encourage-
Reshma ma'am,
Hi,
good
Sure.
evening.
Reshma.
Good evening, ma'am.
So let's wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Let's other come and
Good
join.
evening to all of you.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening.
Hi,
Reshma.
Hello.
So it's been 1 year of knowing Reshma as well.
Absolutely. I was thinking back. I said, okay, great. Today we don't have a session actually. We don't have our GEG session today because we are all excited for GEG Agra launch as well as going back and attending GEG Delhi and NCR launch.
Yes.
So we are, waiting for you in Agra to reach Agra and see the Taj Mahal. And
Today
Absolutely.
you will
And
get
I'm
a
from
virtual tour, but really you have to come.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
virtual tour, we will give you more glimpses of Agra, and then you will like to come. The zeal
yeah,
will be
and I'm
increased when you
I'm
come.
born and brought up in Kanpur, so I have a
Okay.
lot of
Okay.
affiliation to northern India.
UP.
So
Dr. Narjeet is also from Kanpur.
yeah, she's from my school. She's my classmate actually from
Okay.
KG.
That's
So
nice.
and you will not believe, and this is the platform where we met after like 20-25 years. So
Okay.
we
Oh,
were
that's great.
together till 12th, and then we parted with our colleges and our work schedules and life. And GEG was the platform that we connected. And she said,
Yeah.
"What is it? What are you actually doing?" And that is
Mhm.
how it all came together.
Nice.
That's great.
Hi, Reshma.
Hello, Dr. Vishal.
So let's start. So 5 o'clock. Should I wait
Yes,
for
sir.
other guests also? Because my favorite or my mentor is not there. Is still not there. Mr. Mukesh Kumar.
Yeah. No problem, sir. I think we should wait for some more audience. No problem.
Right, sir. Good evening, Amit sir.
Good evening,
Hello,
sir.
good evening,
evening,
sir.
Amit, sir.
Namaskar.
Good
Hello,
evening, sir.
sir.
Namaskar, sir.
Hello, Namaskar, sir.
Hi, Amit.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening. Congratulations for 1 year.
Yeah.
Celebration is still going on for a month.
Yes, this is a month of celebration. Definitely.
Yeah,
Definitely.
Looking forward for tomorrow's session.
Yes. Yes, we are also very excited.
Yeah.
I should say I get inspired from GG Delhi NCR. That finally I learned how to do Twitter posts and how to make those.
You were telling me
Because I said
that time.
yeah. Mhm.
I,
So I was
I
trying to
think
figure
we
out
have
how
a
to
good
do
team.
this.
We
Yeah.
have a good team, so it's good to always have multiple people doing it and not. So you were handling it single-handed for long.
Yeah,
So
now
you
we
can
have a
delegate.
team.
Now you have a team, so you can,
Yes.
delegate, and
Mhm.
it's always nice to do that.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So Dr. Narjeet is
Hello,
also
good
here.
evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening,
Hi,
ma'am.
Narjeet.
Hello, ma'am. How
Hi,
are you?
Narjeet.
And Sangeeta ma'am is going to be our coach.
Yeah, I'm the innovator coach.
Yeah.
Oh,
Me,
really?
yeah,
Awesome.
yeah.
Great,
Me,
great.
me,
Mukesh sir is
me.
also there. Good evening, Mukesh sir.
Hi, Mukesh. Good to have Mukesh joining in. So that is the news of the day, Reshma. Your day
Yes.
is yet to start, but yeah, that is the news of the day.
So me,
Awesome,
me, Tariq, Rushali, Rupali, and fifth one,
Deepthi.
Deepti ma'am.
Deepti.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we are all in the same cohort, and ma'am is our coach there. Sangeeta ma'am.
Great, great.
Great. You're in great hands, I would say.
Oh, I was more
Good
than
evening,
happy. I was
Narjeet
relieved
ma'am.
to see that.
Are,
So-
no. It's a lovely team that you guys are in. There's so many experienced people there. So it's going to be amazing experience, absolutely.
Mukesh sir,
Hi, Mukesh. Where
Good
are you?
evening.
Can't see him.
I think he's not able to hear this.
He is on mute.
Muted actually.
सर केके सर आपकी स्क्रीन ने ना हम लोग को अपने स्कूल की पिकनिक्स जरूर याद करवा दी हैं.
Oh, thank you so much. Or I welcome you all to this heritage place, Agra. So I think I must start.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please
sir.
continue.
So it's good evening to all. It gives me immense pleasure to announce that we are going to be the part of GEG and get the GEG Agra chapter inaugurated today. As Google keeps on researching education and brings EdTech tools for the students of the 21st century at ease, this is, of course, a very fantastic job that Google is doing in the field of education. Will we fail if our educators are not able to incorporate all these tools in our daily learning and teaching? And that is why, continuing with that, Google came up with GG. These GGs are world over and India as well. Ours, I think, is the 22nd GG in India. Today, we have our esteemed guests who are from different institutions and have been working with GGs as leaders, co-leaders for many years. On behalf of the principal, Dr. Mrs. Rupali Gupta, I welcome all the guests and hand over the mic to my co-leader, Dr. SM Tara. Dr. Tara, please.
Thank you, sir. Before continuing with the rest of the proceedings of the event, I also like to remind you your childhood memories when you take assemblies. So we'll have a short prayer for that. So let us join our hands, close our eyes, and pray to Ma Saraswati. That's great. Now, a small tour for virtual tour, I would like to say for Agra. Before that, I would like to give some introduction regarding Agra. Agra is also known as the city of Taj, comprises a rich legacy and cultural heritage. It is a very popular travel destination with flocks of tourists pouring in the city from all over the world. Sadly, the onset of the pandemic restricted the aesthetic pleasure, but our technology has made our life easier and more accessible. On this note, I will now present a virtual glimpses of the city of Agra on your screen. Agra famous for its monuments. The very one popular, the Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, Sikandra. This is Radha Swami Temple. is also famous for education. Top class education institutes are there. So I've just taken some glimpses of some of the colleges. Famous for its world-class shoe manufacturing. Generators and diesel engines, marble craft industry. Etha is one of the most popular one. Lots of hotels are there, so you are welcome anytime. Famous for mouth-watering food, and this is a famous breakfast of Agra, Badai and Jalebi. Most popular one. And this is the event which is every year from 18 to 27 Taj Mahotsav. So some glimpses of Taj Mahotsav. Now Agra will be known as GG Agra. Thank you, everyone. Now I request our learned captain, Mrs. Sonali Goswami, to continue with the rest of the program. Thank you very much.
Good evening to all present here. उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथे नाहि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रवेशन्ति मुखे मृगा. The shlok means any work will get accomplished by hard work, not merely by desiring for its completion. For instance, a prey by itself does not enter into the mouth of a sleeping lion. On this note, let me now take this opportunity to introduce our esteemed speakers for this event. Today, we have among us Dr. Vishal Varia, who is an educationist with K-12 organization. He is the leader at GEG Ahmedabad and Gujarat. Dr. Vishal Varia holds a certified trainer teaching in Google for Education. We are pleased to have you here. The second speaker for the occasion is Mr. Mukesh Kumar, head of the Department Computer Science at TPS RK-Puram, New Delhi. He has done JRF and is a programmer for NCERT. Mr. Mukesh is an MIT inspirational teacher and Google certified launcher level 1 and level 2. He is also a Google innovator. We are happy to have you with us today. Our next speaker, Ms. Sangeeta Gulati, is a national ICT awardee and a Google certified educator level 1 and level 2. She is a certified trainer and innovator, a teacher of mathematics. Mrs. Sangeeta teaches GeoGebra and Desmos in Sanskriti Public School, New Delhi. We are glad to have you us today, ma'am. We also welcome Ms. Reshma Honap, GEG leader, Pune and Maharashtra, and global GEG co-leader, world. She worked as a dean mathematics educator at RSM Irvine, California. Mrs. Reshma is a Google educator certified trainer. We are extremely pleased to have you here. The next speaker for this event is Dr. Narjeet Kaur, a Google certified educator and trainer. Dr. Narjeet holds a PhD in English and is a soft skill trainer. She's a podcaster, blogger, educator, and author working as a vice principal at Guru Hari Krishan Senior Secondary Public School, New Delhi. We are happy to have you as today. Our last speaker for today's event is Ms. Sanchita Ghosh, a Google certified educator, level 1 and level 2, and trainer. Mrs. Sanchita is the head of the history department at Sanskriti Public School, New Delhi. We are very happy to have you here, ma'am. I'm elated to announce that we have Mr. Hari Pachori among us. He is the Regional Commissioner of Employees Provident Fund at Coal Mines, Sambalpur, Odisha. We are happy to have you with us. We extend our warm welcome to all our esteemed guests. Please put your hands together for all of them. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. With this thought in mind, on behalf of Dr. Rupali Gupta, Principal APS Agra, who is our mentor and our guide, a kind and a humble soul, and immensely experienced person, she never ceases to inspire teachers and students to always put in their best. We are proud that we are associated with her. Although she was unable to join us for this event for her ill health, she sends her best wishes for successful launch of GEG Agra. Now, can I request Dr. Vishal Varya to formally launch the much awaited Google Education Group Agra.
Indeed. My pleasure to launch GEG Agra. Indeed, the most awaited group, and now the first in the list of all the GEGs of India. GEG Agra. Congratulations to team GEG Agra.
Thank you.
And all the good to go to launch. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, KK Singh sir.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you.
Sankara sir and
Thank you,
Sonali.
sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we hope to learn more from you.
We'll try our best, sir.
Great, sir.
Thank you very much.
Ma'am, you are muted. Sonali ma'am, you are muted.
Sonali ma'am, you are muted, ma'am, please.
Sir, I request you to say a few words.
All right. GEG's has been very exciting journey, and in India, the Reshma ma'am and we started this journey last year, almost a year ago. And it's not like we started the journey, but yes, GEG's became more workable, became more in talks when this activity started with GEG Pune as well as GEG Ahmedabad. There are GEGs prior to this as well, but in this line, we are having more GEGs launches, and GEG Agra becomes 21st, if I'm not wrong, 21st GEG of the country, and the first in the list of all the GEGs of the country, being A, being the first letter of the alphabet. So GEG Ahmedabad becomes now second, and we wish to see GEG Agra leading the GEG groups in future. Congratulations to team GEG Agra.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you very
Thank
much. Thank you very much, sir.
May I now request Mr. Mukesh Kumar to speak few words for all of us?
It is indeed my pleasure, and I am very excited to see the growth of GEG since 2013. In 2013, this journey started with a very, very humble start. I'll just share with you a small picture slideshow, and you'll be able to see what a smiling journey it started with.
We will be pleased to see that, sir.
Yeah. So this is how some of the teachers at Delhi met in Lodi Garden, and we did a lot of activities in open area, and number of computer science and non-computer science teachers met. This was in 2013. It was a very humble start, and after that we started conducting some workshops for teachers. I hope you can see my screen right now.
Yes, sir.
Is that Amit sir we are seeing on
Yeah,
screen?
I
Yes.
am in that.
Amit sir is there. Yeah.
So these are some of the activities we did over there, and you can see Bani here.
From Google.
From Google, who was the visionary at that time, could foresee the journey will take so long, and with Sangeeta Bhatia and Sangeeta ma'am in Delhi taking it to a very, very far ahead with so many professional trainings for many, many teachers, not only for Indian students, but also Indian student teachers, and also from other countries. I hope she has conducted a lot of trainings. So this was GEG meetup on 21st December 2013. And I'm showing you directly from the Google Photos. I just thought at this occasion, you should all see how it started in 2013, and now it is completely grown up into an adult with Sangeeta ma'am and Sanchita Ghosh ma'am. Thank you, Sangeeta ma'am, for making it so big now. And now I'm sure with kind of enthusiastic members like Mr. KK Singh and Mr. Dr. Tara, it will take a big lead in entire UP, not only in Agra.
Thank you, sir.
Try our best, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. So I'm so happy that everyone from around the country is here to support GEG Agra. And I'm sure with this kind of support, GEG Agra will rock.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you so much for your kind words,
100%,
sir.
sir.
Now
All the best. Yeah.
I'll request Sangeeta ma'am to speak or share her points or her experiences with GEG.
Thank you so much, Sonali, and congratulations to team GEG Agra. It's always wonderful to have another family coming up in the GEG scenario, because it is important that we spread this love, we spread this word, and we support educators who are in the close proximity, your day-to-day interactions that you are working with, because that is what GEGs were meant for. So what you have just looked at was an outing. I still very, very clearly remember the calls coming in, whether you're going to come and join, and all. So the logistics were a bit of a problem for me at that time, and I wish Uber was there even at that time, and I would have hopped into an Uber and gone across to join such sessions. But I still remember that planning that went into getting everybody in one place. And so again, just in case there are new members who are listening into this or are watching the recording later, because very often we miss out on what GEG actually is. So the Google Educator Groups, as Mukesh has very clearly pointed out, it's nothing new as far as a Google scenario goes. They've been around, and Google Educator Groups they formulated with this idea only that educators should be self-reliant. They should be able to support each other. They should be able to grow together. So that was the idea, and therefore the community development, building up a kind of a bond between the educators itself was the major agenda. The training part and all just happens to be part of it. It just comes along with it. Because even in 2013, one never thought that we would be using Google Apps in our classrooms. It was just a dream at that time. And but that dream slowly has been becoming a reality, and now it is kind of, in the last 1.5 year or 2 year, it has just escalated, and we are all at that way. So Google Educator groups are for supporting educators. They are for educators and by educators, and it is a completely voluntary group. So no one is, giving us a salary. So that is what keeps us. What keeps us going is the get-togethers like these, like today, and also when you do something, some kind of an activity, and the teachers who are attending your session, they take it forward. That is the reward one gets. So if you had watched maybe Mukesh sir at GG APAC, and he's done this whole big session on sheets, Google Sheets, and if you had learned something small, or if I had learned something from there and I've applied it into my classroom, I think that is the reward. That is where we pat ourselves and say, all right, you see, so and so has taken our idea forward and even has earned certifications or not, but has made a change and difference in their classrooms. So GEGs are meant for anyone and everyone. It doesn't matter whether you are a Hindi teacher or you are a maths or a computer science teacher.
Yes.
So that is something very, very important for all of us to know. And just to join hands. And again, GG Agra is no different from GG Delhi NCR.
Right.
We are all a community, and your members are most welcome to watch our sessions and even come and present or at our platform. And our members are most welcome to go and spread that word on your platform. So I wish you and your team a big success.
Thank you.
And let's hope that our community grows and doubles and many folds as the days go ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you for inviting us here. Thank you.
Mic, unmute, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We are really honored to have you here. Now I request Mrs. Reshma Honor to kindly share her experiences with us.
Thank you so much, Sonali ma'am. And first of all, congratulations, KK Singh sir and Tara sir. And
Thank you, sir.
if I go back just a couple of months, I came to know KK Singh sir from one of my trainings. The most enthusiastic, on the top of his work, and always texting that, ma'am, I couldn't do this, or what to do, or ma'am, I finished this. And thank you so much for calling me ma'am, because after working in a different kind of educational setup where we call each other by names, even students doesn't call teachers ma'am or madam, they call us like Miss Reshma. So like, because it's believed that the identity of the person is by the name. So if you have to identify a person, you call them by name, and that is how the connection is built. And excellent, wonderful to see Mukesh sir presenting such beautiful pictures. So I'm awaiting all the GEGs to come together and have events like this. And though I'm far away, but I'm looking forward to it, so we can plan. So going back 1.5 years, I have told this story to so many people, and I just go back and keep remembering what was the situation when I jumped into something like Google Educator Group. So similar situation, like everybody, we all went virtual. There was nothing around that can help. It's just that we wanted to do something, or probably myself, I started looking for solutions. So Sangeeta ma'am knows we are math teachers, and we cannot wait till we find a solution to the given problem or situation. So we started looking for solutions, and frankly speaking, honestly, that was the first time when I came across the word GEG, because I started looking at Google Classroom, and eventually as I started searching on Google, it led me to GEG. So I approached a couple of GEGs around here in the United States, and the GEGs here were also trying to grow. So I was connected to one of the GEGs. I started attending the sessions. I learned so much. There were so many new words which I had never used in my education, because we were also very traditional with paper, pencil, and textbooks, and that is all that we were also doing. But eventually, as I started learning all about this, and I'm born and brought up in India, and my always heart used to go, what must be the educators there struggling with? What must be my friends or colleagues who were there when I was working in India, what must be they going through. So that was my intention, to go back and say, okay, can I start GEG from a city from India? And Pune just happened to be, because I was married in Pune. I finished my education in Pune, and my first job started in Pune. So that was just a reason. So, and then now going back to the global. So global GEG is similar to what our GEGs or the local GEGs are. It is just that as we educators from a specific country or a city come together, here the educators from all around the world come together. So, like I said in my last session also, the problems, the successes are similar in every place, every classroom. So when you connect with educators around the world, I think it brings in great collaboration. How they work, how you work, what can we learn from them, what worked or what did not, because it depends upon your demographic, it depends upon the resources available. But it is a wonderful opportunity to connect. And I think technology is something that has connected me to you all, such amazing educators and global educators. So we are a part of global GEG, which is which does a lot of projects. Last year, global GEG was really helping educators all around the world with their playlist series, helping them get certified, as well as showing them how to bring in all the 4 C's of education. So what creativity means, what collaboration means in a classroom, how teachers can connect with each other. So if we just go back and think about a small quote, it is like we all have a dream that something should change, something should be different than what it is today. So just imagine if light bulb was not invented, or I was just listening to listening to Steve Jobs. I love to hear to these people. So I was just listening to TEDx, and I was listening to Steve Jobs motivational speeches. And so Sundar Pichai, I was listening to amazing speech, a daily routine of Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, he starts his day with a newspaper in his hand, not a digital tool. So we might think that he must be having his laptop all the time to read news, but no, he has a newspaper. So things don't change, but he made a difference for the world. And that is what we are here to do. So I would just say, do not downgrade your dream just to fit what the reality is and continue. But I think we all can just upgrade ourselves with conviction, and we make our destiny and help each other. Thank you so much. And it is amazing to connect with all of you, and a much needed GEG, another GEG for the Uttar Pradesh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Reshma ma'am. It was indeed our pleasure to have you here. Now I request Dr. Narjeet Kaur to say a few words. Ma'am, I think you have to unmute yourself, ma'am. Dr. Narjeet.
When everybody starts speaking, I come to know that they all are saying something, so I must be on mute. So yeah, many congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
कुछ आई थिंक उनकी तरफ से कनेक्टिविटी इशू हो गई है शायद.
Connectivity issue.
हो सकता है, must be.
She has paused the video also.
The internet issues, connectivity issues.
Yeah, I think she's left the meeting, so she'll join again.
So shall we continue with?
No,
She's joined. She's joined.
She's back.
Okay.
So you have, something has to happen. Computer for some reason, or connectivity for some reason, knows actually that there is something important going on, so I have to show my importance, I have to play havoc, and it does. But then we are better than technology, and we come back. We are teachers after all, we have to come back, and we come back with a bang always. So here we are on the launch of this platform, and it's such a pleasure to be amongst all. And Mukesh sir, your pictures really were beautiful. Did I see Gurpreet ma'am also in one of the pictures? She was also there, right?
Yeah,
and
yeah.
a lot
She
Yeah,
is there.
so and you were in Lodi Road, you were in
Lodi
the Lodi Gardens,
Gardens.
which is, yeah, it is just next to where we stay here, where I stay here in Delhi. So I missed out on all the fun you had back in 2013. I would have loved to be a part of that actually. And when I am a part of such events, such platforms, we I like celebrating the commitment, the passion, and the creativity of teachers, all of us that we are. So, as Sangeeta ma'am pointed out, that GEGs are to make educators self-reliant, and teaching has always been a very demanding profession. One requires empathy to reach out to so many learners, creativity to help them discover the world through the new eyes, through new perspectives. But as we know, the public health crisis that placed huge pressure on the teaching workforce. And during this time, I believe that so many GEGs also came up, and teachers have shown such incredible determination to make sure that learning does not stop and no child should be left behind, especially in a country like India. As Reshma, you can only imagine we were living the situation wherein we did not know how to go about further. Like March, we are one day of March on. I remember it was on 19th March that we were told that from tomorrow on we are going to, the schools aren't going to open, and then we had to design a method as to how to continue with this learning. So it was a challenge actually. The digital tools and technologies, then they became to be widely used for the first time in school education, Indian school education. I'm sure many schools must have been using that, but lot many were using all that for the first time, and the school communities, they were facing new challenges every day. Many teachers, many learners, they did not have the right equipment also, and that I'm talking, if any they had. So finding suitable digital platforms and resources, that was also a challenge. There were new issues around privacy and online safety. A few teachers had experience in designing and planning their lessons for online, only a few. Not even few teachers, a few. So at the same time, this shift was really, uh, you know, that put the spotlight on the need for change, for more creativity. And this was a period, especially for me, for tremendous upskilling and innovation. And a lot of changes in my life have happened. With due respect to everybody, to the sufferers of this COVID, I learned a lot. I really made use, all of us actually, all of us did. So technology opened new avenues for me and for many educators to explore the world, to interact with each other, to share the learning experiences. And with the blended learning, teachers still are helping the students take more responsibility actually for their learning, all while trying to engage them in new and novice ways. So this actually has made a remarkable impact on the education. But with more and more tools, I believe, which are available today, it has become more evident as to how difficult it is. Really, it is difficult for the teachers to know what to use and when to use and where to use. So there's no single solution and no right way. Even after 2 years of being online and everything, we do not know a single uh, you know authentic solution and the right way, and we do not need to know. As long as we are doing tremendous job in our classrooms, everything is fine. All's well that ends well. For me, that really, really matters. So technology was intertwining in different ways in each unique teaching context. Actually, we're talking about. So this definitely is going to look very different now, depending on the subject, on the learners, on the pedagogy. What is crucial about this time was that teachers are now more confident and more comfortable in navigating this digital space. They have developed, I call, a digital fluency. When we talk about languages and everything, they have developed a fluency, a flexible way, a pragmatic approach, I would say, to teaching, also to technology. Our teachers know comfortably well now, having tailored it, evidence based guidance, acquiring new skills. That was a challenge, but we have overcome that. But that, as Sangeeta ma'am pointed out, that this does not mean that if you're not a computer science teacher, you won't be able to make use of the technology per se, or that if you are, many of the teachers in my school, they were scared of only one thing. When we interacted, they were scared of the thing that students know more than us. I am scared with that. Students know it, but I tell you, this is a myth. we call them digital natives. We call them the people who are, use a lot of technology at home. They do both a baseline set of skills also. They have a fearless enthusiasm also for anything with a screen and a power button. With we adults, we only envy that confidence. We used to, but what the kids possess is actually a bravado. They don't possess knowledge. Knowledge is what you are going to give them. So don't be scared of that they know more than you. All the teachers out there, they don't. You have to teach them everything. After all, we are, teachers. And there is another thing that the teachers were a little only about, that is, it shut down all the conversation that I would have. They would say that I would use technology if only someone would show me how to do it. आपको बताना पड़ेगा, कंप्यूटर साइंस डिपार्टमेंट को बताना पड़ेगा, आईटी डिपार्टमेंट को सिखाना पड़ेगा, तब हम लोग यूज कर पाएंगे. This technology is as much a personal responsibility of educators as it is of the schools, of the districts, of the computer science teachers, of the principals, everybody. So teachers who want to excel at their job, they will embrace technology, because with it they are able to reach more students more effectively. Many teachers think that a certain kind of person only loves tech, and the rest of the world just slogs through, tolerates it. Math is like that. I am always very scared of it. Those people who love math, I really am in awe of people who can do math and love math. Only math teachers can understand. Their thinking is that math teachers को sheet सबसे ज़्यादा समझ में आता है, because of the formulas, because of that does not that's not true. Sanchita ma'am here the other day, we were having a conversation, and she said that she loves sheets, and she's a social science teacher. Math has got nothing to do with sheets. Only if you want to learn it, you will ace it. You will not only learn it, you will ace it. So using technology well is more about problem solving more than brain powers. Please, teachers, understand this. So I request all my learners, my teachers, my colleagues, my fraternity to just shed your inhibitions, shed this phobia, and learn. Because what I feel is, let's not leave anybody behind in this journey of educators in the field of education or the digital world that we are. So many congratulations once again to GEG Agra, and I'm very happy that a state that I come from, the first GEG comes from there, and lots of best wishes. I hope we will do together great work. So thank you, sir.
Certainly.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you.
When you were speaking, I was thinking that whatever you spoke, it was my words from your mouth. So really, ma'am, it was really good to hear from you. Now I'll request
Ma'am
Sanchita
is
ma'am.
Sonali ma'am is an English teacher at TGT in APS, and
So I never thought
she
I will
was
be.
very enthusiastic to learn the technology basically, and that's why she's there in our group. She joined
Oh,
us.
awesome.
That's why.
Awesome.
Yeah, when
When
Narjeet was here. Sorry.
when we were
Yes.
in school, there was no subject called computer even. So now, when we have learned so much, we think that yes, अब हमारी पढ़ाई पूरी हुई है. When we have learned computer or how to handle it, so this is how I feel good. And really, it's a great pleasure to have you all. Now I'll request Sanchita ma'am to say
I think
or
ma'am
speak her
Reshma was
own
saying
experiences.
something before that.
Huh.
Reshma, you were
Yes,
saying
ma'am.
something.
Yes,
No,
ma'am. Yes.
I was listening to you, and when you said the new generation knows a lot because they are born with phones and
Yeah.
laptops in their
Obviously, yeah.
hands. So I think, and for us, like globally, if I speak, we learn a lot from kids. So we really have a lot to learn from them. So it's like, because if I talk about my journey, we are in the middle, like we are half
Yeah.
into our own region, trying to bring up the kids, and my kids are growing up in the US with their perspective. So we are so much in between the two worlds that we try to show them. So when I talk to my kids, oh, we used to walk to school, and you're not even ready 10 minutes before school when I'm there to drop you in the car. And they're telling me, Mom, you grew up somewhere in India. No, it was not somewhere in India. It was a great place at that time. But if I talk to them about technology, if I talk to them about the new ways of doing things, I think they are amazing in that category.
Very true.
And yeah, and as educators, I feel that there is no harm in learning from them.
Absolutely.
There is no harm in asking them, oh, you did a great job with your website or with this app. Can you show me how to do it? And when we make them owners of what they did and we give them responsibility, and this is how it works globally. Each classroom has a coach, a math coach, or like we used to have math coach. Very smart kids who finish their work, they are the math coaches, and they feel so responsible that, oh, after the teacher, I'm the one who can help others. So and
good.
this is how this is how, yes, teachers play a big role in education, and they of course will, but I think with this new generation we have a lot to learn from them as well.
Absolutely.
And yeah, because they are going to lead the next world. So
But our teachers, na, sometimes they are scared of the kids. They know more than us. Don't be scared. They are kids after all. End of the day, they are kids. You are the teacher. You know how to handle the class. You know how to handle the kids. They are just children. And if they know, come on, learn from them. If they know more than you, learn. They will respect you more that way. They will really respect you more.
But they feel good. They feel happy. If you ask your doubts, they come out with a lot of energy in place of going and asking the same thing to an IT department who themselves are so much overburdened. And if you are asking them, they will come out with more energy. Ma'am, I will tell you, I will share your screen, this, that, so many small things they will come out. So this is the new thing which pandemic has given us. We are blessed to have new technology with us. Otherwise, we would have never thought of learning it also. So some way it has helped us. So now I request Sanchita ma'am to kindly share her experiences with us.
So a very good evening to all of you, and congratulations once again to GEG Agra and Mr. Singh, Dr. Tara, and Sonali ma'am, and wishing you, great strength and great energy as you take this journey forward. और आपने हम में से कुछ लोगों की जीजी की यात्रा की कहानी सुनी है।
हाँ जी
तो कुछ लंबी है, कुछ शायद इतनी लंबी नहीं है, लेकिन सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिलता है। हम हर बार कुछ सेशन करते हैं, हम सोचते हैं कि अच्छा हम ये सिखाएंगे, लेकिन at the end of it, when the questions come, we also start thinking of different ways, like we said, like Narjeet ma'am said, that there are no final answers, that there is no best solution to any given circumstance. So wishing you all of that joy in this journey as well. So I'll just take on from where Narjeet ma'am left off, saying that तो क्या हुआ कि अगर बच्चे हमसे ज़्यादा जानते हैं. I think it's a great life skill also to admit that we don't know everything. And anyone can be your teacher. They don't have to be older than you. They don't have to be more qualified than you. जो जिसको भी आपसे जरा सा भी कुछ ज्यादा आता है वही आपका टीचर बन सकता है. मैं अपनी दोनों बेटियां भी काफी छोटी हैं, उनसे हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ जरूर सीखती हूँ. हर रोज हम जो क्लास में अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ होते हैं, कोई ना कोई चीज देखिएगा, थोड़ा सा भी हम रिफ्लेक्ट करें तो हम उनसे सीखते जरूर हैं. इवन इन द प्री टेक टाइम्स, आई मीन आई हैव बीन वर्किंग सिंस द ईयर 1999. और उस वक्त कंप्यूटर एक लैब था जरूर जहां मैं पहले स्कूल में थी. एंड आई मस्ट से दैट द लैब इंचार्ज वाज वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ मी. तो मुझे हमेशा बुलाती थी कि संचिता, मैंने तुम्हारे लिए एक अर्थक्वेक पे कुछ रिसोर्सेज तैयार रखे, तो अपनी क्लास को लेके आ जाओ. So I would hurry with my students to the lab, and we would look at the live readings from NASA, and we actually saw the build up to a few earthquakes at that time as well during class. So that was I think that was a power of technology कि आप जो traditional एक classroom में नहीं कर सकते हैं, वो आपको technology वो strength देता है करने की. So the idea of using technology in the classroom is not to do the same thing on a computer, but to be able to do something completely new which you couldn't do earlier. For example, जो हम flipped learning की बात करते हैं, बहुत बार हम कहते हैं कि अच्छा सिलेबस खत्म करने का टाइम नहीं है, कोई एक्स्ट्रा काम हम कर ही नहीं सकते बच्चों के साथ, कोई क्रिएटिव काम नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि सिलेबस हमें खत्म करना है, एग्जाम आ रहा है. So I think digital tools give you that time, give you that additional time to be able to incorporate a few new learning experiences for students. For instance, आप Edpuzzle को ले लीजिए कि कोई भी YouTube वीडियो पैसिवली ना वॉच करके एक एक्टिव इंटरेक्शन हो रही है स्टूडेंट की वीडियो के साथ. द टीचर डज नॉट हैव टू बी इन द क्लासरूम टू गाइड द स्टूडेंट्स फोकस थ्रू दैट वीडियो. Right, so there are similar other tools. जरूरी नहीं कि आप Edpuzzle use करें. You can there are tools like Nearpod or even something as simple as Google Slides that you embed video clips and then the following slide can come with a question. So a student can go back if they've not understood, rewatch that little clip, come back to the question and answer there. How to behave on social media, for example. हम कहते हैं कि under 13s cannot have their personal email IDs, so they obviously cannot be on social media. But social media is also a very, very powerful tool. हम कहते हैं social media is a time waster, but if you are able to use it wisely, I think there's so much to learn there in terms of Facebook, in terms of Twitter. मैंने कितना कुछ सीखा है Twitter पे और Facebook पे लोगों को फॉलो करके. मेरी अपनी भी जर्नी शायद इनकम्प्लीट रहती कि मैं अगर एजुकेटर्स फ्रॉम अराउंड द वर्ल्ड के साथ नहीं जुड़ पाती वाया सोशल मीडिया. तो हमने स्टूडेंट्स को एक ये लाइफ स्किल ये भी हम दे सकते हैं कि सोशल मीडिया इज अ टाइम वेस्टर इफ यू अलाउ इट टू बिकम अ टाइम वेस्टर. But if you are able to use it for beneficial reasons, and how can we do that? By demonstrating that behavior ourselves. So the other day, my students and I, we were talking, and some of them asked that, "Ma'am, you have a Twitter account?" I said, "Yes." तो आप Twitter पे क्या करते हो, मैम? स्टॉक करते हो लोगों को? मैंने कहा हाँ स्टॉक करती हूँ, लेकिन आई एम वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट हु आई एम स्टॉकिंग. So I will not stalk anybody. So then they asked me who are the people I follow. So I said I follow educators, I follow journalists, for example, and Twitter is also a very important source of news, for example. So students said, "But ma'am, don't you sometimes fall through that, the scroll hole? You're just scrolling and seeing." I said, "No, I time myself. So every time I'm on Twitter, I have a timer, a 5-minute timer which I switch on. So the moment the timer goes off, 5 minute khatam, social media khatam. And I'll come back at another point in the day. So on any given day, I'm not spending more than 20 or 30 minutes on social media in 24 hours. So these are life skills you can share with your students. So technology का मतलब ये हमेशा ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम सिर्फ classroom की या curriculum की बात करें. I think technology is something like fire. So if you can master it, it's a great servant. But if you let technology explode, then you've got trouble on your hands. So it's the same thing with any learning tool as well. Parents हमें कहते हैं कि इतना screen time हो गया है, तो हम screen time को कैसे कम करें? So these are things that we are constantly negotiating. We have to constantly train our children. In terms of children don't know how to use tools, I would go 50-50 here. They do know how to use the tools, but I think the teacher's job is to help them identify how best to use those tools, right? But also on the other hand, students ने हमें सिखाया है over not just over the last 1 or 2 years, but I think for as long as I have been a teacher, कि अगर हम student को voice और choice देते हैं, so they surprise us with amazing presentations that they might create, or how they might challenge their classmates. हम लोग gamification, अगले महीने हमारा gamification topic है of our monthly GG APAC sessions. And when we look at that, I think I was inspired by my students. My limit of gamification was, okay, making some crosswords. But when I told the students that, okay, can we gamify a very boring concept? We do land revenue systems in class 12, which is a very boring chapter, to be very honest. And I said, can we gamify this? Can we make this fun? और जिस तरह के challenges लेके बच्चे आए, उन्होंने board games तैयार किए. And this is, I'm talking about pre-pandemic. So a lot of this is analog. ये नहीं है कि वो digital tools use कर रहे हैं. So they've created board games for each other, and they're challenging each other कि चलो जीत के दिखाओ. Right? So, and of course, the fact that the pandemic pushed us all, whether we liked it or we didn't, it pushed us all in this direction. And as Narjeet also said, that teachers were very scared. Teachers didn't know. And the fear didn't come 2 years ago. The fear has been for as long as I have been engaged with digital tools and trying to motivate people around me to adopt more, digital experiences for their classrooms. And they said that, why go digital? मुझे बड़ा डर लगता है, अरे कुछ गलती हो जाएगी, कुछ डिलीट हो जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं, अनडू बटन है ना. And I always used to repeat that dialogue from मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी. when Akshay Kumar and Saif Ali Khan are having that conversation, that, you know, as an actor, you get multiple takes. But as an actual police officer, I don't. That if if I get it wrong the first time, zindagi ghutne take deti, or some such dialogue. So the idea is that we are a lot like Saif Ali Khan. There is always an undo button, and we get multiple takes with digital tools. अगर आपके पास मोबाइल फोन है, तो आप टेक एक्सपर्ट हैं. आप व्हाट्सएप कर रहे हैं, तो आप टेक एक्सपर्ट हैं. आपको व्हाट्सएप और एसएमएस के बीच का डिफरेंस मालूम है, तो आप टेक एक्सपर्ट हैं, राइट? एंड डोंट बी अफ्रेड. If the kids know more than you, great. That's also a learning moment. कि हम किसी से भी सीख सकते हैं. जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं टीचर हूं तो मुझे सारे आंसर्स आते हैं. मैं हिस्ट्री टीचर हूं, लेकिन मुझे सब कुछ नहीं पता ना हिस्ट्री के बारे में. मैं भी अपने स्टूडेंट से सीखती हूँ बहुत बार. तो क्या बुरा है स्टूडेंट से सीखने में? And to finally wrap up, as things are going, I can see definitely we are winning the war against COVID. Eventually we will. And many schools जो हैं blended learning में या hybrid learning model में आ चुके हैं. कुछ बच्चे स्कूल में हैं, कुछ बच्चे घर से पढ़ रहे हैं. But eventually we will all come back to the school building. Now, my I wouldn't say worry, but a thought that, you know, sometimes comes to my head is, क्या हम ये सब कुछ भूल जाएंगे? ये जो इतने सारे हमने GEGs बनाए हैं, इतनी communities हमारी तैयार हुई हैं, हम एक दूसरे से इतना कुछ सीख रहे हैं. Will this tempo slow down when we are back in full-time physical school? क्योंकि तब हमारे पे जबरदस्ती नहीं होगा कि आपने डिजिटल टूल्स यूज करने हैं. बच्चे तो आपके सामने बैठे हैं, टेक्स्ट बुक भी खुली है, नोटबुक भी सामने है. तो क्या हमने जो इतना कुछ सीखा है, इतना जो इंटरेस्टिंग एक्सपीरियंस रहा है हमारा, या हमने जो बच्चों को एक लेवल अप करके जो लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस दिया है, क्या हम फिर अपनी पुरानी आदतों में आ जाएंगे वापस? So that's a question I think we all have to consider, not only as educators ourselves, as trainers, as GEG leaders and co-leaders. Will we also slow down on our tempo? So that's a question we must keep. The other day I was looking at this hashtag called no going back. So the idea is, will we allow ourselves to slip back into old habits, or are we going to use this as a stepping stone to further taking our professional development to newer heights, which only will go on to helping us the better than the best to our students. So with that, I'd like to end my monologue here. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
You are so good, ma'am. I can't even express my words to thank you right now.
And ma'am, with this Twitter wala thing na, I'll just share a small thing. One of my students asked me कि ma'am, जब Twitter पे retweet करते हैं तो वो जाता कहाँ है? मुझे दिखता नहीं है. Then we retweeted something and I showed him कि यहाँ जाता. अरे मैम मैं तो अरे मैम मैं तो ढूंढता ही रहता हूँ, पता नहीं retweet करके कहाँ. So these are the small things. अब we learn from children learn from us, and the atmosphere that we create in the class is fabulous with this teaching and learning. So great being with teenagers and great being with such young children. They always keep you on toes and they always keep you young. The younger the children are, younger the teacher gets. So that is what I always believe.
Now I'll request Mr. Amit Bajaj to say something. Please, sir, share your experiences.
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, congratulations to Team GEG Agra, KK Singh sir, Satyendra sir, and Sonali ma'am.
Thank you.
My mentor are already here, Sangeeta Gulati ma'am, the one to whom I always follow, Reshma ma'am, Vishal sir, and अब संचिता मैम को सुनकर तो एक्चुअली मैं उनका भी फैन हो गया हूँ. ऑलरेडी पहले भी सुनता ही था उन्हें, but actually the thoughts we shared, ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे अभी सोनाली मैम आपने कहा था कि जो नरजीत मैम ने कहा, लग रहा था कि you wanted to say that. So संचिता मैम thought actually matching with my frequency, whatever she has shared. मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं वो सब चीजें शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. Really very fantastically you have expressed everything, so beautifully expressed. My GEG journey is फोटोग्राफ को मुकेश सर ने शेयर करा. थैंक यू सो मच मुकेश सर. 2013 में स्टार्ट किया था, बट ऑफ कोर्स कुछ ने उसको कंटिन्यू किया, आई फॉरगॉट दैट, और उसके आगे वो चीजें नहीं चली, बट दैट पैंडेमिक came as a blessing in disguise and started with my journey 1.5 years ago only with this Google, and really I'm enjoying every day each moment with Google. I consider myself as a Googly man. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब कभी भी गूगल से रिलेटेड कुछ सर्च करता हूँ, कुछ चीजें शेयर करता हूँ, and that's what our community stands for. So I always believe in two mantras: sharing is caring, and let's learn and grow together. So I'm learning, and I wish to share with each and every one of you. Again, as mentioned, सब कुछ चीजें हमें नहीं आती हैं, और शायद कभी भी ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. But whatever we are learning a little bit, we need to share, we need to grow. Then only, I mean, we'll expect a community of educators जहां हम अपने बच्चों को अच्छी नॉलेज और अच्छे स्किल्स के बारे में सिखा पाएंगे. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to speak in front of all of you. Thanks again, once again, Team Agra. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
God bless
Thank
you.
you so much, sir.
Thank you.
I think Amit
Would you
sir
like to say
said it. Yeah, Amit sir exactly said what Google Educator Group is for. It is for connecting with educators with the same mindset as yours, and then coming together and building. So see, Chote Forum, maybe we have some connection that we say that, oh, my words came out of your mind. So this is
Yeah, very
exactly
good.
what it is. That
Obviously.
educators should find a place to connect with somebody. It is not always about technology and learning tools. Ye bhi karo, wo bhi karo, ye implement karo. It is just coming together to share what you feel about a specific idea, and then collaborating. So great words, Amit sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
KK sir, would you like to say something? Thank you so much, sir. Bajaj sir, so much. Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
would you like to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Dr. Ramon sir is there, who is the director and principal, Suiti Global Group of Institution. I request him to say a few words. Dr. Ramon. I think he's not here.
Ram Mohan sir, I think.
Imtiaz sir?
No, he's not also not here.
No, sir, they are
Yes,
late.
sir, left the meeting in between. I saw
Yeah, yeah.
that.
Mhm.
Okay. So I must say, मैं तो केवल एक ही का फैन हूँ, जिस लाइफ लॉन्ग उसी का रहूंगा, एंड ही इज नन अदर देन मिस्टर मुकेश कुमार. और मैंने शुरू से ही करीब 15-16 साल हो गए इनको फॉलो करते करते, और शायद इन्हीं की इंस्पिरेशन से जो है ये जी स्वीट जो है आर्मी स्कूल आगरा में आया. अदरवाइज मैं तो यही सोचा था कि चलो अपने जो भी मिल जाता है, या ब्लू जीन्स है, या फिर दूसरा कोई प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है,
Teams, Microsoft Teams वगैरह.
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स वगैरह पे करेंगे. लेकिन जो वास्तव में अगर कहा जाए टॉर्च बियरर, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि ही इज मिस्टर मुकेश कुमार, माय रोल मॉडल.
Applause to sir. So with this successful session, I now, on behalf of GEG Agra, feel privileged to propose the vote of thanks. I would like to express my deepest sense of gratitude to Dr. Vishal Varia for taking time from his busy schedule and gracing this occasion. Your presence has lifted the grandeur of today's event. I also wish to thank Mr. Mukesh Kumar for being with us today and showcasing his journey in the path of DEV. This event would not have been possible without you. A special mention to Ms. Sangeeta Gulati for being a catalyst that inspired us to do our best and stand as a pillar of power. With a deep sense of gratitude, I thank Ms. Reshma Honap for her untiring efforts. There are not enough words to describe your zeal, which made this event a glorious success. My sincere thanks to Dr. Narjeet Kaur, whose presence added an extra zing to the event. Your words enlightened us. I would like to express my deepest sense of gratitude to Sangeeta ma'am also Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have shown us a new path. I would like to thank Mr. Bajaj, who has blessed the occasion with his presence. I would like to place on record our deep sense of obligation towards our principal ma'am, Dr. Rupali Gupta, who always supports us, guides us, and motivates us. Thank you, ma'am. Once again, I thank all of you for being with us. It was indeed a great pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you all, and all the best, GG
Thank
Agra.
you, sir. Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
sir.
much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
you.
you. Absolutely. It was a pleasure listening to everyone, and a great evening and a good start for GG Agra. Well done, and we look forward to your sessions coming up.
Sure,
Do
ma'am.
let us know if you need us to support you in any manner. We are always there, and we'll definitely do the necessary.
Thank
Right?
you.
Sure.
So all
Thank
the
you, ma'am.
best.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
All
Thank
the
you.
best.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
We must get a group photograph.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Those are
So, sir, you can take this one. Everyone
It is
should have.
already there. You click the link and you will find it.
सर
Okay, sir has already sent this.
मेरी फोटो अच्छी नहीं है उसमें आप दोबारा लीजिए
एक बारी और एक सेकंड स्माइल. Wait a minute. Yes, done.
Done, sir has done
Thank
it.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And Mukesh
Thank
sir,
you,
like
sir.
you showed us the pictures, I am looking forward to hopefully next year that we all meet at Lodi Garden with all you educators. So I think
100%.
as GEG leaders, we should start planning a first in-person GEG meet. And मुझे
yes,
बस
ma'am.
पहले बता देना क्योंकि I cannot come. अगले हफ्ते आ जाओ.
Sure,
So,
ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Do
Definitely.
visit to Agra. All of you are cordially invited. Do visit
I
to
still
Agra.
remember the dahi balle that I used to go have.
Ma'am, still
And
there is
we
a very
are-
great market. Chaat Gali is there. You can have a
Yeah.
lot of
Chaat
things there.
Gali's charts are really
I
amazing.
showed in my presentation Chaat Gali Chadar
Of
Bazaar.
course.
Yeah,
yeah, it was
me and
great.
Reshma, we are from same school and we are childhood friends, both of us. But ये मैं इसीलिए आपको बोल रही थी कि हम लोग के स्कूल की जो सारा हम लोग को पिकनिक पे लेके जाया जाता था ना, तो इट वुड बी एन इवेंट. इट वुड बी लखनऊ और आगरा, दो ही जगह थी हमारे पास कानपुर से जाने के लिए, and we would look forward to that. So beautiful place and a very warm place, warm people, and of course चाट वाट तो definitely पूरे यूपी में से. चलिए कभी जाएंगे तो हम लोग
पानी
दोबारा
आ गया
जाएंगे.
Most welcome.
तो हमें भी टेम्प्ट किया जा रहा है आगरा आने को.
बिल्कुल
संगीता
sir.
मैम,
I was
Sir,
supposed
Sangeeta
to
ma'am.
be in Agra
We are
during
really
these,
pulling you,
this
sir.
autumn break, हाँ. But वो
संचिता संचिता एंड संगीता मैम प्लान बनाते हैं
We'll make a
आगरा
trip.
का.
Oh,
बिल्कुल
sure, sir.
बिल्कुल
Welcome, sir.
बिल्कुल.
Welcome.
बिल्कुल.
सर मैं वैसे तो आपको फिजिकली नहीं ला पाया, लेकिन अब आप आ जाएंगे.
नहीं मैं गाड़ी से लेके आऊंगा.
Oh, sure. Most welcome, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
संगीता मैम मेरे साथ आएंगी.
That's nice.
Lovely,
Awesome.
lovely, lovely.
Sir.
Waiting for you
Anytime
all.
you,
you
sir.
all plan to
Thank
visit
you all.
US, you
Maybe
are
that
most
would
welcome.
be easier than going to Agra.
I think we can plan it here in California. So
Yeah.
you're all cordially invited anytime you plan to visit. Just send me a
Absolutely.
text that
Yes,
we are going
we
to
can.
be here and we will plan. So great
Sure.
meeting all
So
of you
sweet of
and
you.
congratulations.
Lovely,
please.
lovely.
Najit, I think your photo is all right now.
Yeah, it must be now because I have already made sure that my photograph was good, so it must be good now. So I have put all my hopes on your photography skills.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
nice.
Nice to
Thank you
see
so
such
much, sir.
lovely people. Seriously.
Sir, thank you very much.
Sir, take care, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye.
Thank you
Bye.
all
Bye
for
bye.
attending us.
Have a great weekend.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Bye. Bye,
sir.
mister.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Namaskar. Bye bye.
Namaskar.
Good wishes.
Namaskar, sir. Thank you very much.
Bye bye.
It's an immense pleasure to work with you all.
Sir, should we leave the meeting now?
That we can. Sir is the course. I can. Some of our teachers are still there on the meeting. It's
Sir,
okay,
good
fine.
that you shared, Tara sir. I'm glad that you shared it in the official group. And so
Ah.
many teachers could join it from there only.
These were the links they have already got on their mails.
Yeah, no,
But
sir, still if you share it,
but on YouTube also, I have seen many people were there on the YouTube channel
many
also.
people came and joined the meeting.
Obviously.
Sir, Tara sir, Sonali
Ah.
ma'am, congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh,
and
thank you,
Vishal,
Rajiv
really
sir.
blessed
Thank
to
you
have
very much.
this type of association. It is really a great pleasure. It's not, I'm not joking, it's
Exactly.
really a great pleasure to work with them. And very nice, educated. बहुत अच्छा लगा है मुझे. Very nice. Thank you, sir.
All were learned and you know सभी
No,
अलग-अलग फील्ड से थे.
they have a concern that after this pandemic is ending now, it's now endemic. Now the main role of this GEG will come up. कि अब क्या करना है, क्योंकि अब आदमी पहले ही भाग रहा था ऑनलाइन से और अब वो कहेगा कि भाई फिर फंसाने जा रहे हैं. बट नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट सम अदर मींस टू एंगेज पीपल इन दिस. लाइक सर जो टीचर डायरी वाला सेशन है उसको पूरा करेंगे.
टीचर्स डायरी तो मैंने
डायरी
करना ही
रखना है. और एक स्कूल रिकॉर्ड का मैं सोच रहा था दैट एवरीडे रिकॉर्ड कीपिंग जो है हमारा वो भी एक ऑनलाइन कर देते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ वेस्टिंग पेपर एंड यूजिंग डायरीज एंड नोटबुक इन द क्लासरूम. फिर वो खो जाती है, ये हो जाता है. बेटर ये है कि हम उसको ऑनलाइन कर देते हैं. एवरीवन मेक्स देयर एंट्री व्हाइल दे टेक क्लास.
सर हाउ टू गो अबाउट इट? गूगल आप उसमें फॉर्म दोगे, क्या करेंगे आप उसमें?
वो बनाएंगे मैम, ट्रेनिंग करेंगे पहले उसकी, फिर आपको ज्वाइन कराएंगे उसमें कैसे करना है. एवरी टीचर विल मेक दैट. वो एक ट्रेनिंग सेशन लेंगे
बस
उसका.
प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पर दरअसल यही आती है कि आप जितनी मेहनत करते हैं उसके हिसाब से आपको आउटपुट नहीं मिलता.
सर वी आर ऑन लाइव नाउ सो वी कैन डिस्कस दिस. हम लाइव चल रहे हैं सर इसमें भी, है ना. सो थैंक यू एवरीवन हु हैव जॉइंड अस ऑन द YouTube लाइव सेशन. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone.